Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for 2025 crypto enthusiasts. How to withdraw XDC from your MetaMask wallet straight to your Tangem wallet. If you're holding XDC and want to secure it in a hardware wallet like Tangem, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the MetaMask extension installed on your browser, some XDC tokens in your MetaMask account, and your Tangem wallet ready to receive funds. Also, double-check that your Tangem wallet is properly connected and you have the XDC network added to it. If not, head over to the Tangem app and add the network using the details from the official Shinfin website. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the XDC network. If it's not there, add it manually by going to the network settings and entering the RPC URL, chain ID, and other details. You can find these on the Shinfin docs. I'll link them in the description. Step 2. In MetaMask, select the XDC token you want to withdraw. Click on Send, and enter your Tangem wallet's address. Make sure you copy this address correctly from your Tangem app to avoid any mistakes, that's crucial. Step 3. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Remember, crypto transactions have fees, so check the gas fees first and adjust if needed. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction on MetaMask. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your XDC to your Tangem wallet. Always prioritize security, double-check addresses and use hardware wallets for long-term storage. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.